What's up? So a brother from Bangladesh, and we are climbing up the Chandragiri Hills. Ticket for me as an Indian. I can just feel the cold.
Cold, yeah.
क्या मस्त ठंडा लग रहा है यार. एक कप चाय. You can give me anything. Okay. ये मुझे नहीं पता था. I mean the people in love. Wow. It's trying Maharashtrian khana in Nepal. Thank you so much, brother. खल्लास. Okay, उसीलिए लोग ताला मार रहे हैं यहाँ पे. We are totally inside the cloud. So out of all those hills, वहाँ पे है चंद्रगिरी हिल्स, जहाँ पे आज मैं जाने वाला हूँ. So hello everyone, मैं हूँ अंशुमन. Welcome back to another vlog from Nepal. तो आज है day 3 और हम जा रहे हैं चंद्रगिरी हिल्स. और मैं अंकल के साथ नहीं जा रहा हूँ आज मुझे एक्कम्पनी करने वाले हैं ब्रदर पॉल. इफ़ यू सॉ आवर फर्स्ट नेपाल व्लॉग जिस दिन हम नेपाल आए, ब्रदर पॉल एक्चुअली केम टू पिक अस अप. तो आज वो मुझे लेके जाएंगे चंद्रगिरी हिल्स. सो नाउ लेट्स गो एंड एक्सप्लोर चंद्रगिरी हिल्स. स्टे ट्यून्ड इन द ब्लॉग. Hello again, brother Paul. What's up? All good.
Yes, let's go.
Yeah. In Nepali it's Tikcha. And Bengali it's Kemon achen.
ঠিক আছে.
ঠিক আছেন? Okay. So guys, we are leaving for Chandragiri Hills, right?
Yes, cable car.
Cable car वगैरह है वहाँ पे. We'll try everything. So yeah, pretty much excited for the day. Beautiful morning. Weather is good. अभी weather तो it's fine. Not sure about evening है ना. कभी भी यहाँ पे शाम को बारिश हो जाता है. देखते हैं कैसा है. So yeah. So now we are gonna try to withdraw some money. I'm not sure if मेरा कार्ड काम करेगा यहाँ पे या नहीं. Let's try. So we tried cash withdraw करने का मैंने कोशिश किया, but it got declined क्योंकि international transaction is not allowed on my card, like it's disabled. तो देखते हैं आगे क्या होगा. Otherwise if we find a good option to exchange money, we'll see, we'll try, because I have cash in INR. We can try somewhere if we can exchange money.
Yes, I think so.
Yeah, we'll see.
It could be nice in bike, but if the rain comes, then
Yeah, that would be a trouble. Look guys, how in proper discipline people are standing here, and of course we all need to learn these things. Okay, discipline leads us to I would say, like, you know, cleanliness, because people are disciplined here. उसीलिए आपको कहीं पे भी गिरा हुआ garbage वगैरह you won't find. People are not littering, है ना? People don't litter here, no? They won't throw garbage here and there, no? See how clean it is. पे लिखा हुआ है no horn. Is this a river?
yes, this is a river.
Okay,
It's called Bagmati River.
Oh, okay, Bagmati River, I have heard about it. Okay, so this is Bagmati River.
So the river make the, like, in, you know, one district to another districts.
Bagmati River is kind of a border between two districts. So guys, actually brother Paul belongs to, like, he is from Bangladesh, Dhaka, right?
Yes.
So a brother from Bangladesh is taking an Indian brother to see places in Nepal. Okay, so see, 3 countries are involved. तो इतना मेहनत हो रहा है. So guys, you have to like अभी ही like मारो and comments डालो. Of course you have to share the video and please अगर subscribe किए नहीं video, I mean channel को, then please do it. बाकी आगे बढ़ते हैं. How long is it gonna take, brother, to reach Chandragiri Hills?
Half an hour.
Half an hour more, right? Yeah. So half an hour more और फिर वहाँ पे पहुँचेंगे. And yeah, I hope I'm gonna enjoy the day. Yeah. Plus we have such a great companion with us, so definitely we are going to enjoy. यार क्या बताऊँ यार, landscape is so beautiful. See. चीन नेपाल बीच निरंतर मित्रता कायम रहोस. Okay.
It's the underpass road actually.
Okay. So there's a good relation between Nepal and China, na?
Yeah. Nepal, China.
Anyways, guys, these borders are just made by, like, man-made borders. Otherwise, humans are same, right? Okay. Now only Paul brother was telling a very beautiful thing from it's a Bengali poem
Oh yes.
from Bangladesh.
Yes, yes.
That rich, poor. Can you please repeat? I forgot.
As a human,
Yeah.
we are in the rich. We are the black people or white people.
Yeah.
But if you cut, the blood color is the same.
Yeah.
So this is one of the famous poem in Bangla. This is like in whatever we are as a human, that is the main identity we are.
Yes, exactly.
It's not the identity that you are from so rich country or you are so handsome and beautiful.
Yeah.
But as a human, we are the same. Yeah.
So actually, our identity is humanity, and our actually color is red for everyone,
Yes.
right? And guys, let me tell you about the famous non-veg items of Nepal. Chicken, mutton, fish and buffalo meat भी यहाँ पे मिलता है ना?
Yes, and
Yeah. Goat meat is also
like in mutton.
Yeah, that is only mutton.
But even though you will get in lamb also.
Lamb also. So out of all these, which one do you think is the most, tastiest?
The Himalayan goat is very
Himalayan goat.
tasty.
Yeah, I have heard about this.
Or in local chicken.
Local chicken. Acha,
Yeah.
the country chicken you mean?
Yes, country chicken, like in not the farming one.
Desi chicken, na?
Yeah, Deshi chicken. Yes.
Okay.
Not the boiler. So.
I just eat broiler,
Huh?
Fish and broiler for me, that's it. And जैसे कि मैंने बताया, Paul brother actually is from Bangladesh, so it's Ilish fish is very famous in
Yes,
Bangladesh,
yes, in
right?
Bangladesh, yes.
So yeah, someday I wish to visit Bangladesh also. Keep me in prayers so that I travel and taste Ilish March in some good restaurants in Dhaka.
Yes.
Hopefully we will go together someday.
Oh yes, obviously.
And also I'm inviting Paul brother live on camera to come to Odisha someday. Calcutta, Odisha, will make a tour.
Yeah, sure.
Okay?
Yes,
Deal done.
deal.
So वहाँ पे है अंशु सलोन.
Wow.
So I didn't know मेरा सलोन भी है यहाँ पे. Okay, way to Chandragiri Hills. Yeah. Oh, nice. So I guess we are almost about to reach.
Yes, it's there. It's going to reach. It's tune. Last year there was one blogger from Australia.
From Australia.
They came to our hotel with their own bike.
From Australia. Oh, they would have, I guess.
They just doing all the biking. They traveled everywhere by bike. There's a bike, my goodness.
Wow, this spot is looking, my god, so beautiful. Oh, wow.
See, there's the cable car.
Ropeway, cable car, yeah. Oh, wow. And we are climbing up the Chandragiri Hills.
See the taxi.
These are all Chinese brands, I
Yes,
guess, no?
Taxi.
Yeah.
Very nice taxi.
We can take the car inside, no? Or
No, wait, there's a parking.
park? So I guess this is the main gate of Chandragiri Hills. Wow.
The entrance. Welcome to Chandragiri.
Hills. Great, great, great. পার্কিংটা উপরে আছে। So guys, we have reached Chandragiri Hills, and thank you so much, brother Paul, for taking out time for me. Okay, so yeah.
So there's a because due to the cloud we can't see the mountain. Otherwise, all the mountain range is from there.
Without clouds, like it
Yeah.
looks clearly visible.
Wow, all the mountains, Mount Everest also you can see from here.
Huh? Arey wow. The funny thing that happened while coming to Kathmandu on flight, I thought Everest dikhega, but because of the rainy season, bad weather, we could not see.
एकदम crowded is it? Scan in QR people easily anywhere. Oh, Khauti was the famous one.
Okay, online payment.
They're saying.
Okay, there. I think there she's calling. So now we'll be going on the cable car tour. That's ropeway, and ticket for me as an Indian is 1350, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So yeah, now let's enjoy cable car. Thank you.
Can do it as a film.
So we are in the cable car, guys. Oh wow. Here's the top, no? If you stand, cold air. The air coming is very cold.
Oh,
Huh?
oh yeah.
The fresh air. You can see the clouds.
Damn cold here.
Yeah. It's too cold because of the clouds, guys. Wow, it looks so beautiful.
You can touch the cloud actually.
Yeah, yeah.
Eventually we are touching the cloud.
You're touching the cloud actually. But I cannot
Feel it?
I can just feel the cold.
Cold, yes.
Yeah. I cannot capture the cloud, of course.
यस्तो शीतल छ है क्लाउड एकदम शीतल हुन्छ नि
Because of the cloud only, it's cold. Top height on high altitude and all.
So now finally
We are about to go reach the platform.
my sport because of cloud है
Because of the cloud, yeah. It's actually cold here. नीचे कितना ज़्यादा गर्मी था, यहाँ पे क्या मस्त ठंडा लग रहा है यार. Oh, great. And वहाँ पे some kind of Nepali songs they are playing.
चाय
एक कप चाय. Hey guys, so
something else
whatever, anything is fine. Milk tea.
एक कप चाय
एक कप चाय. चाय. धन्यवाद मैडम.
शुगर कम है
चलेगा.
शुगर
शुगर कम है इसमें है लेकिन कम है ना. इट्स ओके, इट्स ओके. सो देयर इज दिस काठमांडू वैली व्यू पॉइंट. तो अब चाय पीते पीते नज़ारे का मज़ा लेंगे. सो दिस इज काठमांडू वैली व्यू पॉइंट. तो यहाँ से it's cloudy. Amazing.
our house is there
Which side?
just in down there so
This
this
side.
straight
Straight, huh?
you can see because of the oh they have
So in the morning जब मैं balcony से hills का view दिखा रहा था, अभी we are at
Top of that hill.
Top of that hill. Okay. Because in last 2-3 vlogs now, I have been showing those hills. Balcony से वो hill. So finally we are on that hill top. अभी और ऊपर भी चढ़ेंगे. So brother Paul is having cheese popcorn, no?
Yes.
Okay. You wanna have tea?
No.
Oh, you don't take tea?
No.
He's a coffee person just like me, but मैं कभी-कभी टी भी ले लेता हूँ. So when you people are inviting me to your homes, you can give me anything.
See the cloud?
Clouds are moving, no? Amazing.
Okay, let's go up.
Yeah. You know, in this super comforting and cold climate, hot tea is just like zordar.
Match with this weather, right?
Yeah, definitely. It's matching with the weather. So that's the national flag of Nepal. So this is some kind of hiking only we are doing, no? Jai Bhaleshwar Mahadev. So peaceful, guys. मजा आ रहा है यहाँ पे.
So, if the weather clear, we could see this
Everest.
Mount Everest here.
Okay, Mount Everest is called Sagarmatha. Okay. So in Nepal, Mount Everest is called Sagarmatha. Okay.
884.
ये मुझे नहीं पता था. 848.86 meter total height. Okay. So guys, Mount Everest is called Sagarmatha in Nepal. यहाँ बसेर खाना खान निषेध गारिये को 6. This is 360 cycling. And that is zip lining.
This is Love Lock.
Love lock, okay.
You can buy a lock
Yeah.
and named it and lock it.
Okay.
So many locks.
This is nice. Great. So people think that this works, right?
Is that belief?
They believe us. It's kind of a good thing the people in love, they can come here, write the name of the person on the lock, and they can lock it. See, it's beautiful. पर हमें अपने चैनल से प्यार है, चैनल से मोहब्बत है. So that's why I'm telling in the video that I love my channel and my people. So इतने सारे लोगों के लिए, for all the subscribers, I'll need lots of locks. That's why I'm not doing it. Okay.
So this is the mountain.
Okay, this is a temple. Oh, okay. This is a Shiva temple, I believe. But photography, videography is not allowed inside, so
No.
I will not do that. But it's so beautiful. That too mountain top, and yeah, because of the Trishul, it's now confirmed that this is a Lord Shiva temple, and in Nepal, Lord Shiva is very much worshipped. Wow. I can take photos from outside though.
He's the king who united this Kathmandu.
Oh, okay.
Prithvi Narayan Shah.
Prithvi Narayan Shah. Okay. वाओ गाइस, अब जरा इधर चलते हैं नीचे नीचे. Wait, there is something else. Okay.
So
Okay.
previously there was a 4 district:
Okay.
Kathmandu, Lalitpur, Bhaktapur, and this Kirtipur.
Okay.
The
Yeah.
4 district had 4 kings.
4 kings. Okay.
Yes. So the Prithivi Narayan Shah, he said no, this should be in one. So he started to fight, and then he fought with, he was like from Kathmandu.
Okay.
So he fought with Bhaktapur and then On, and then Kathmandu and Bhaktapur together.
Together.
Then he fought with the Lalitpur, they 2, and then these 3 together.
Yeah.
Then last they fight with this Kirtipur.
Oh.
And these 4, then this 4 district is together with one king,
Under
Then-
Prithvi
Narayan Shah.
Narayan Shah. Okay.
So he's the one. He's called in. He united.
He united.
Yes.
Okay.
These 4 districts together in Kathmandu. Then one.
So that's the story behind King Prithvi Narayan
Narayan
Shah. Okay. So what do we get here?
What do you want to eat?
Enjoy the taste of Nepali thali. Kathi roll pav
The
bhaji.
roll is roti with the chicken.
Chicken, huh? Yeah. Pav bhaji I'll not have.
So let me try the pav bhaji. I never tried. And for one chicken kathi roll.
Don't get pav bhaji for me, okay? No. Now we are going to the watchtower. So guys, we took the coupon and we are gonna have chicken kathi roll and pav bhaji, no?
Kathi roll eta ho.
He's having pav
You
bhaji.
wait here.
Okay, I need to wait here, okay? So our Bangladeshi brother is trying Maharashtrian khana in Nepal.
I heard about this food.
Yeah, it's from Maharashtra.
Pav bhaji.
And I will be trying Calcutta famous chicken kathi roll in Nepal. Lots of diversity.
That's true.
What is your name, brother?
Sahil Moharjan. Sahil Moharjan.
Sahil
Moharjan.
Moharjan. Okay, so Sahil brother is making beautiful chicken kathi roll for us. So yeah,
इंडिया से
मैं इंडिया से. आप यहीं के हो? आपका घर किधर है यहाँ पे?
मेरा इधर शॉपिंग मॉल पता है?
नहीं पता भैया. So हर दिन आपको नीचे से आना पड़ता है ऐसे?
नीचे से
हाँ.
कार पे आना पड़ता है.
अच्छा, केबल कार में.
कितने दिन के लिए आएगा?
मेरा 1 week का ट्रिप है भैया. सैटरडे को आई एम लिविंग बैक. थैंक यू सो मच ब्रदर. थैंक यू. So that is the bun. The bun is called pav. Okay.
And then this vegetable.
That is bhaji. Okay.
Pav bhaji.
Yeah.
And then bun bhaji.
Bun.
Roti
bun yeah. You have been to Bombay, no? Mumbai.
Yeah.
This is the, this food is from Mumbai, Maharashtra.
Oh.
Yes. And I am having chicken kathi roll. So next time when you visit Calcutta, India, you have to try this. It's tasty. So यहाँ पे other than cable car, there is ropeway. उसके अलावा you can find zip lining, then cycling जो होता है ना, sky cycling and sky walk, swing and 360 cycling और क्या लिखा है free fall. And this is the zip lining वाला wire, तार जो भी बोल दो. And wow, guys, the view, कहीं से भी खड़े होकर if you check the view, खल्लास. और ये बच्चों का खेलने का कोई पार्क जैसा लग रहा है मेरे को, छोटा सा कारपेट्स वगैरह पड़ा हुआ है नीचे. By the way, one very interesting thing is that brother Paul, he's a professional photographer. You did some good photography course also, no?
Yeah, I did diploma in photography
From
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. So he's gonna do the adventurous stuff.
This
Cycling, sky cycling करेंगे Paul भाई साहब. Told you, photographers, you know, they'll stop by and start clicking pictures whenever they get a small good view. Chandragiri Hills, where wishes come true. Okay, उसीलिए लोग ताला मार रहे हैं यहाँ पे. Okay. Now I get the point of the lock and key thing.
I have taken the video package also. They will do also on video.
I'll try from here also.
Yeah,
Okay.
please. This is the ticket.
This is really excited.
Yes, this is the first time I'm doing.
First time. Okay.
The cycling is the first time, but zip
Yeah.
lining and all those I did before.
Okay. Zip lining you have done. Okay. Zip line is 400 NPR, that is Nepali rupees. 400. Additional 200 for video. And sky cycling is a little expensive. That is 600 per adult for both ways, and additional 250 Nepali rupee for video. So Paul brother is getting ready.
How was that?
It was good.
I did
You
it.
should tell. You
But in
should
the
tell.
middle, you know, I was so scared.
Scared, huh?
Like I was falling down.
नीचे देख रहे थे आप?
Oh, I just looked down. I was thinking I am just falling down.
Overall experience কেমন ছিল?
Oh, it's thriller.
No, say it in Bengali. কিরকম ছিল experience?
বাংলা ওয়ার্ডটা আমার জানা নেই.
দারুন.
দারুন, yes.
So just before leaving from Chandragiri Hills, मैं कैमरा वगैरह रख के I went inside Bhaleshwar temple. It's basically Lord Shiva temple, and yeah, so बहुत अच्छा लगा जाके. मैं कहीं पे भी जाता हूँ, I love visiting all the places of worship, may it be a church or a temple or a mosque or a gurudwara, क्योंकि ऊपर वाला एक ही है. So that's what I believe, that's what I preach, and that's what I follow. So now we are going back. This view is also looking so wow. There is a resort. That's a resort, no?
Yes.
इधर का स्काई का ऐसा ही है. Sometimes it's clear, sometimes it's dark. Yeah. Let's go.
भर्ती भएको 2010 मा हो भर्ती भएको 2010 मा हो आइ भर्ती भएको 2010 मा हो भर्ती भएको 2010 मा हो
Fast. Come on.
Yeah.
You need to sit there.
Okay.
Balance करने का.
Balance, huh? So that's it. This was Chandragiri Hills. Right?
Hope you guys enjoy
Hope you guys enjoy
with us.
with us, with
Now we are
brother
going back.
Anshuman and brother Paul. I hope an Indian brother and a Bangladeshi brother were successful in showing you Chandragiri Hills, that is in Nepal.
Yeah.
Right?
Yay!
Yeah,
See
that
the
is fun.
cloud. Now we are going into the cloud.
Into the cloud, yes.
Yes. Wow.
Great.
But those who have the high phobia, they are not allowed to.
They are not allowed to come in.
Yes.
Yeah.
If you have high phobia, you should skip.
You should skip. You should just watch our video.
And have this test.
Yeah.
This is fully cloud. Wow.
We are totally inside the clouds. Looks very foggy. But these are all clouds, no?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, these are clouds.
Beautiful cold clouds.
We can feel it, the cloud.
We can feel the clouds. And here if you see, you don't see anything. And if I see, I also don't see anything. But if I see there, I see things. Because that side it's clear. So guys, now we are going down to the base. And वहाँ से फिर निकल के we'll go back to the parking. And क्या बताऊँ यार, amazing experience. I'm just loving it. Next time when you plan a tour to Nepal, Kathmandu, this spot needs to be completed by you guys. Okay, मुझसे जितना हो पाया मैंने दिखाया ऊपर का. I went to the temple. अफसोस we could not take the advantage of Everest view because of the clouds we could not see. But no worries, there's always a next time. मैं next जब आऊँगा यहाँ कभी पक्का I'll watch. So yeah, and I'll show you guys how the city looks from top. और ये कुछ लोग अब फिलहाल ऊपर जा रहे हैं. All the best guys. और हम नीचे जा रहे हैं. Oh, see the view.
That has something problem happened yet. There's the Kathmandu.
Yeah.
Yes, go.
I felt like we got down off an helicopter. Come here. Come here.
A video?
वीडियो. मैं ये वीडियो इसलिए ले रहा हूँ ताकि पॉज करके स्क्रीनशॉट ले लूँगा, फोटो निकल आएगा उससे.
Click na photo na.
Yeah. So guys, this is the parking again, and we are going back to hotel. We are done with Chandragiri Hills, and अभी मैं होटल जाता हूँ. I'll go to hotel, and फिर वहाँ पे मिलते हैं. And don't miss the end, because मैं होटल पहुँच के एक दो अच्छा चीज़ दिखाने वाला हूँ. So please stay tuned till the end. Yeah, let's go to hotel now.
So, how was your day?
It was, क्या बताएं, like Chandragiri Hills. I loved the place. Okay, like going up on the cable car, then spending beautiful time in that spot, hilltop, एंड बाकी सब तो व्लॉग्स में आपने देखा ही. आई होप आपको मज़ा आया होगा देख के. नाउ आई एक्चुअली ब्रॉट वन ब्यूटीफुल थिंग. आई विल शो दैट. ओके,
What is that?
it is this. It is this. It's a fridge. It's a fridge magnet. Okay.
Okay.
It's a fridge magnet. While buying this, I asked them कि Indian currency लोगे क्या, तो they like राजी हो गए. But they said only 150 का note they'll take. 500 का note they were like not willing to take. But good thing is that I had 100 notes and 50 ka notes, and now finally I have Nepalese rupee, which is called NPR, I guess, right? So yeah, ये है 555 का note. This is 50, and this is 1000. And हर नोट के पीछे कुछ ना कुछ बनाया हुआ है. फिलहाल I am keeping this, and hopefully शायद I'll be taking few notes back to India as a memory. Okay.
Okay, but tell me one thing.
Yeah.
Did you get scared or not?
Come on, why?
You did not?
Why?
Oh,
I won't.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
बहादुर हूँ मैं.
नहीं,
Why
जो
shall I get-
नेपाल आता है तो सब बहादुर बन जाते हैं.
If you know what he means. Okay, so by the way, I'll अंकल को भी दिखाई देता हूँ क्योंकि yeah. And now it's raining again. I'll show you guys. And it's raining quite heavily. So yeah, this was the vlog about Chandragiri Hills. We had a great time. All thanks goes to brother Paul who took out time for me. बाकी मैं vlog को यहीं पे end करता हूँ. I hope आपको ये vlog अच्छा लगा होगा. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in my next vlog. तब तक के लिए bye bye. Take care. वीडियो को like करें, कमेंट्स ज़रूर करें, शेयर करें. चैनल को अगर सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया then please do it. See you in my next vlog. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Bye bye.